sometimes you'll have PVC that's broken under the ground, especially in an irrigation system. And it's very simple to fix, and it's very cheap too. What you need to do is identify where the break is. We're going to imagine that there's a break, somewhere in the line. You cut off both ends on either side of the break with your hacksaw, and then once you've cut through it, it's very easy to cut. Once you cut through it, you want to clean and sand the cut ends, because you don't want any of what we call burrs to corrupt the seal. What you'll then do is get a coupler, which is simply a tube that's on both ends will slip over the PVC. And you want to make sure it fits properly first, what we call a dry fit. And then when it does, you're going to use some of the purple primer, which will ensure a good seal. And you simply dab this or swab it around the cut ends as well as inside the coupler. And that just takes a moment to dry, but you want to make sure it is dry before you proceed. And then, I'm about to forget the cement. And then you coat each part with PVC cement. And a good liberal coating is best. It doesn't have to be neat. No one's ever going to see this. And if you miss a spot, you're right back where you started, because you'll have a leak. And while it's still wet, you want to join the two parts, maybe wipe off any excess, and you're done. It will set and it'll be sealed good as new.